The Q2 2023 earnings for AMD just came out. I've digested it. They've beaten the earnings expectation of 5.4 billion this quarter, expected of 5.3. But overall, there's 5 key points that you as an investor or potential investor need to know going forward. Despite the beat, the most mentioned word is a decline. And the only thing that's done well is the embedded system, which has gone 1.5 billion in revenue. However, this system is expected to go on the decline by Q4 2023, whereas the client, the gaming system, should expect a sequential growth again, back to growth. And the second thing you need to know that MI300, or they call it the AMD AI chip, is expected on target for Q4 deployment, but the MI250 is doing pretty well, and the clients are grabbing as much inventory as they can. And the third most important thing is AMD is still on a decline loss. But going Q3 forward, they're expecting to make profit, and Q4, they're expecting a minimum of 20% profit going forward on Q4 2023 and into 2024. So back to business again. The fourth most important thing that Lisa Su has mentioned is the 150 billion market cap for generative AI as expected by AMD. How much are they going to grab? We don't know, because we still got NVIDIA and every other players in the market. But they're expected to focus on that driver growth going forward from 2024. So going forward for AMD, the AI narrative is really important, especially for the data center, HPC, industrial leading solution, AI accelerator, embedded visual AI edge, Zinc MP SoC, and also the Elvo accelerator, which is all within the capacity of AMD growing in competition with NVIDIA, but in fact, they are in their own deployment of the world with their products array that's going, because the AI generative with high memory capacity driven by MI300 is the way to go for. Okay, let me share with you my positives and negatives. Okay, for the positive is the bit expectation embedded segment is growing, but then declining Q4. MI300 on Q4 target, gross margin back on track. Baba is recently added to the AI client list. AMD Romcom 5.6 open software, positive for the AI when people make fun of AMD with no software, but there they are. And also the automotive grade X Atrix Ultra Scale Plus. So going forward, they've got an array of things going. But on the negative side, the things that I don't like to hear is no share buyback, client segment is down, no announcement on the Nintendo Switch 2 or the PlayStation Portable for 2024. Data center lower than Q2, and then Q3 5.7 billion expected, which is good. But then the streets were expecting 5.82. So is that a declining growth? Is that going to impact the assessment of the analysts, bringing the 130, 140 back down a bit for the price target between the 125 to 135 range? So this is something that we need to watch out for. But overall, I think it's just a very moderate recovery type growth for AMD. But then I think we need to focus on Q3 and Q4 going forward, or perhaps Q 2024. It's a slow race. It's not like the NVIDIA ramp up that we can see recently. But I think for AMD, we still have to play the patient game, long-term game for the investment. So this is me on Family Investment. Nice to see you all again. Is this back for me? I hope so, and hope to see you again. Thank you.